How to connect a TAICO battery to a DeyeInverter. First, unscrew the inverter screws and prepare to connect the wires. Remove the outer casing. Then proceed with the wiring. Then connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery with the inverter. Connect the load wires. Connect the AC power interface. Connect the ground wire. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Use a network cable to connect the battery to the inverter for communication. The internal wiring of the inverter is finished. Replace the protective cover. Then connect the PV interface. Turn on the battery switch. Turn on the battery circuit breaker. Then turn on the inverter switch. Set the inverter protocol on the battery. Enter the password 123456. Select the Deye protocol and confirm the settings. Set the battery type on the inverter to lithium battery. Then you can see the battery information appear on the inverter. Turn on the load switch and plug in the load. The air purifier will start working. Open the inverter system settings and adjust the priority load output. Then you can see the load information on the inverter. Turn on the PV switch. Then turn on the inverter's PV switch. You can see the PV system start working. Turn on the AC power switch. You will see the mains power start working. This concludes the DeyeInverter tutorial. For more related information, please search TAICO Power at its com.